North Carolina and Mississippi now. But Mississippi doesn't tax retirement. The way I look at it, I didn't earn my retirement in North Carolina. I don't think they're entitled to it. Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. Crazy.
More than 50%. Yeah, it's crazy.
Yeah, anyway, you may want to look, you know, if you're looking for a home up there in the mountains, you may want to look on the Tennessee side.
Yeah.
For that reason, that or get you a PO box, maintain your voter registration, your driver's license in Florida. There's a lot of people that do that. Theory. How many people can go check? I'm not telling you to break the law. I know a lot of people that have done that, that live up here, that maintain Florida's, and I could have done that. I could have used one of my son's addresses. But when we moved up there, we already had the property over in Mississippi, and we got a house over there. And we do spend quite. I can quite honestly say that I don't. Here to Florida.
Mira esta casa. Mira esta casa.
We travel. We do things. Yeah, both my wife and I are retired. But you may want to think, really look real heavy at the tax situation. Yeah, my wife's got a friend that moved up there not cheap in North Carolina. She swears even with the income tax, the lower property taxes here compared to Florida, she's still saving money. But Mississippi property taxes are almost nothing. And we cumulatively own about 5 different property taxes. But when the house is on, I'll pay about $500-600 a year in property tax. That's it. The couple of people, we've got a couple of those properties now. Got a couple of they're heavily wooded. The house or anything on it, pay $5 a year in tax or property tax. Now one here, property up, now I'm 5 acres on top of a mountain in North Carolina, and it's still about half of what our property tax is.
As you probably know, in Florida, between the property tax and homeowners insurance.
Oh yeah. Crazy. And every time they get hit with another good storm, it's getting worse.
I just replaced my roof.
Yeah.
It's on the new house.
I had to replace the roof on the one here in North Carolina. We had a hailstorm and the insurance company came up and wrote the check. Believe it or not, up here it's cheaper to put a metal roof on than a shingle roof. We put a metal roof on. The way I look at it, that metal roof's guaranteed for 25 years. I'm not planning on being here for 25 years. I'm just going to tell you, I'm not like a doomsday kind of guy, but realistically, guys in their 80s, you don't see guys my size in their 80s, do you? We just die off. I like my life. I eat fried foods. I drink like a fish. I'm not changing it.
No sé. 25 years,
Yeah, I'm not going to care, yeah. I mean, I'm close to the point where I can hide my own Easter eggs now. Imagine what I'm going to be like in 25 years. It's not a big issue, but I'm seriously, look at the overall tax situation depending on where you're trying to buy.
call my accountant.
Yeah, and talk to them.
Erika, así como
But
está
there,
la
I mean, there's different, like I said, you go to Tennessee, Or, you know, if you get a small chunk of property somewhere in Florida and maintain that as your Florida residence. You know, there are places up in the Panhandle that still pick up an acre for a couple $1,000. Stick a mailbox on it. Yeah. I know a lot of people that, you know, they own RVs and they travel all the time, and they have post office boxes in Florida. They claim Florida, you know, they tag the RV in Florida, they have cars, they maintain a very good situation. See, in my case, like I said, as far as claiming Mississippi, driver's license is voted, my health care is over in Mississippi. That's something else. Who would have thought in southern Mississippi you'd come across an extra health care program? But I tell you what, it's called the Hattiesburg Clinic, it's part of the hospital there. I have never waited in a waiting room longer than 10 minutes. Anything. You know, I go over there, I have to go over there a couple of times a year for a checkup. You know, like I'm going over there in a couple of weeks for a colonoscopy. You know, we get to be a certain age that happens, you know. And I haven't waited more than 10 minutes in a waiting room ever over there. In fact, I was telling them about this. I was over there doing some work. My wife had gone over and do some work over there. And her sister, my sister-in-law, lives on the other side of the house. And she likes to keep the AC real low. I love, but going in and out of the heat, into the AC, back out, sweaty in, that night, like feeling the throat, you know, little sinus infection, right? So I called up the next day, I said, screw it, before I get back to North Carolina, I'm gonna get a Z-Pack, knock it out. Why suffer with it, right? So, my regular doctor wasn't there, so they had a new, in the office I go to, and there's 5 or 6 doctors, they had a new doctor. So the girl on the phone, she said, I told her what I needed. Because normally my doctor, all I had to do was call him, he'd call in a prescription. Well, Dr. Boone's gonna want to see you. She said, but tell you what, come here at 2 o'clock today and just call us from the parking lot. So I pulled into the parking lot, cell phone, I called us right off the parking lot. All right, somebody be out in a minute. The doctor herself walked out, and she walked out. Yep, I've got a big bag. Listen, knocks on the window. Oh, hey, hi, I'm Dr. Boone. Let me look at your throat. Okay, here, we're calling in now. No worries. You get the doctor to walk out.